Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So you already probably know by the title what this video is. So like a month ago maybe, basically I shop a lot on Cult Beauty and I saw this starter kit and I was kind of interested what it is because around that time, like month and a half ago maybe, I started looking in subscription boxes. So I thought this was a subscription box. So I started kind of looking into it more, but it isn't. It's actually a starter kit. So Cult Beauty, basically, I don't know how long ago, but I don't think it was that long ago. I think it's at the start of this year. Basically, they came out with it, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, basically it's £30 and it's called the can't fucking speak. Cult Beauty Starter Kit box. Basically beauty stuff, essentials kind of things. And when I saw what's inside, and bear in mind this costs £30, so I really wanted it. So I actually bought it, and half of the reason why I bought it is to film it for you guys so you would know what's inside and everything like that. And yeah, but you get to see what's inside already on the site, on Cult Beauty site, I don't know. But yeah, so that's the box, that's how it looks. It's plain black, but I really can't speak. It's plain black and it just says at the bottom Cult Beauty. And yeah, so let's open and see what we get here. Oh, I already looked inside because I got this like 2 weeks ago, and like I said, I didn't feel like filming anything and I was just not feeling myself, so now I'm filming it for you guys. I actually had 2 videos, I think, filmed of my subscription boxes, but like I said, I wasn't feeling myself. I wasn't feeling like myself, I guess. So they won't be up because there's no point of posting them, I guess, at the end of the month when the boxes ain't available anymore. So let's see what's inside. So when you open, all you see is just plain black wrapping paper, I guess. And when you take that off, this is what's inside. So I'll get more into detail. Actually, I kind of know the prices. I had the booklet, but my son took it and ripped it apart, so I don't have that. But anyways, there wasn't prices on the booklet, so yeah, sorry about that. But I looked up online to see the actual sizes of the products and if these are the full sizes or not. And there's only, I think, 2 things that wasn't full size, but rest were. Okay, so let's get into the video. So when I saw this, the first thing what popped into my eyes, what the fuck? What caught my eye was this. It's basically Huda Beauty palette, and I know this is like 25 to 27 pounds, I believe. So basically it's nearly the whole price of the actual box, so it's already good. Nearly fucking dropped it. But yeah, that's how it looks. If you can see, I'm sorry, the lighting is really bad. I have the ring light on, but just the light in my room is not so good, so I'm sorry about that if it's more like a yellowish tone. But yeah, So when you open, that's the shades what you get, and it's really nice. I like the shades, and this is kind of like the palette I could take if I'm going somewhere for a weekend or something like that. I could take, I literally could do a couple looks of it, so I like that. And yeah, so yeah, that's the all shades what you get inside. So I find it really cute and they're nice. So that's already a bargain comparing the price. So the next thing what I really like, and I'm not sure how long this brand has been around. I think there's only like skincare products and it's really good. Everyone's using it, so I wanted to buy one of their products. I think it was like over 30 quid, I'm not sure, but I wanted it, but then when I saw the box I didn't buy it because I knew I'm gonna try it out from the box and see if I actually like them, kind of thing, if you know what I mean. And yes, so I'll see that. And this was the Glow recipe, and it's the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask, and this is full size. I can't remember the original price, but I think it was just over £20, I think. All I know in total for everything here, I think it was 150 or £100, I think, something like that. I'm not sure, I could be wrong, but let's open it because I haven't opened it yet. Oh, that feels really nice. The packaging is really nice. If you can see, is it gonna fucking focus? Yeah, sorry about my hands. I was just swatching the colours to see, but yeah, that's how it looks. Let me smell it. Okay, so there's a protective kind of lid on it. Oh, it actually smells like watermelon. That is really nice. That is really nice. I'll try that out tonight. And here it just explains more about it. Okay, so that was that. So the next thing is NARS the Multiple. I think this is like a cream blush kind of stick, and it's in the shade Orgasm, and that's the packaging. Everyone knows how NARS packaging looks. And inside, this wasn't full size. The original price for it with like full size was, I think it was exactly £30. So this is like half of the size. So I believe it's like £12 for like a small one, but you can't get the small one separate. So that's how it looks. And it's just kind of stick. Nothing too special. Oh, that feels really smooth. It has like a shimmer to it. You can already see in, well, you're not going to be able to see it that much, but they're shimmer, and it feels really smooth and really nice. I'm already happy with this box, so that is good. So the next thing is, it's this, the Living Proof Restore Mask Treatment. I think this was for hair treatment. And let me see if I can. Yeah, it's for hair. It says usage. After shampooing, apply generously to the roots to the end. Leave on for 5 minutes and rinse. I don't know how much I'm gonna use this, but it really smells nice. It smells like, you know, when you get like more expensive brand shampoos, that's how it smells. It smells really nice. So the next one is a face mask. It's like a sheet mask. Hydration. What does it do? Basically for moisture and stuff like that, as far as I read it. And this, let me tell you, I would never buy this, because for me personally, I'm not rich, and I don't think I would want to spend on a single face sheet mask. It was like £10 or even more, if I'm not wrong. I'm 100% sure it wasn't less than £9. 100%, because I remember I was shocked when I saw the price. And for me, that is expensive. I'm okay with paying a lot for face masks in a tube or whatever, yeah? Okay, because I can use that. I can reuse and use it from the tube, you know? Like, I can keep using it. But with this, you do it once and that's it. You throw it out. I don't get, like... Okay, you can get it like once a month, I guess, or something like that, but still, I can find cheaper masks that will do the same shit or even be better. So, for me personally, I don't think that's good. I don't know other people what they think. Maybe they like it, I'm not sure, but for me, I don't like it. So yeah. So, the next thing, everyone knows this brand is cheaper, and it's mostly skincare and for skin stuff, but there is a couple makeup stuff. So it's the brand The Ordinary, and this is, I think it was serum, or however you fucking say it, but yeah, I think it was serum. It is serum. So that's how it looks. So yeah, that's how it looks in the box, obviously. And this is full size. And this, I think it was about £6-7. So it's still good. That's how it looks. And it has the pump kind of thing. I don't know what they're called, but I just call it the pump. But yeah, I think obviously that's all for everything, but I think this box actually is worth your money. If you wanna get it and you're like thinking if it's worth it, then you should. But obviously, and like if you have already stuff from it, most of the stuff or one stuff, I don't think it's worth it. But like me, I didn't have the exact products that was there, so I'm happy about that. And yeah, and plus I'm happy with one more in my collection. And yeah, this is all for my haul for the box, however you want to call it. But yeah, I'm really happy. I don't know what you guys think. Let me know in the comments down below, and what other videos you want me to film for you guys. Let me know so I have more ideas. And yeah, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys back in my next video, which will be soon. And yeah, don't forget to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And yeah, thank you. Bye.